Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use project folders in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to keep your creative work organized, especially when you're managing multiple designs or collaborating with team members. Let's dive right in and get everything set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your Adobe Express dashboard where you can start organizing your projects right away. Now look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see several options for navigating your workspace. Click on your stuff to access your personal content library. From the menu that appears, select Projects. This section is where all your project management happens, and it's the foundation for keeping your creative work structured and accessible. Next, you'll want to create a brand new project. Click on Create New Project, which will open up a dialog box for you to customize your project settings. This is where you'll define what this project is all about and start building its structure. In the field that appears, type in your project name, choose something descriptive that makes it easy to identify what this project contains. Once you've entered the name, click Create to establish your new project. You'll notice the project is now active and ready for further customization. At this point, Adobe Express gives you the option to add collaborators to your project. If you want to work with others, enter their username or email address in the provided field, then click Invite. This sends them access to collaborate on the project with you. However, if you prefer to work solo or add people later, simply click Skip to move forward without adding anyone right now. Now it's time to create folders within your project to organize your files more effectively. In the upper right panel of your screen, click Create, then from the drop-down menu, select Folder. This feature allows you to categorize different types of content or phases of your project in separate folders. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a folder name. Type in a name that clearly represents what you'll store in this folder, then click Create. Your new folder will now appear in your project workspace, ready to be filled with your creative assets. Click on the folder you just created to open it. This takes you inside the folder where you can start populating it with your project files. It's important to organize your files thoughtfully so you can find them quickly when you need them. In the upper right corner, click Add to begin importing your files. Navigate to Files from the options presented. This will show you all the project files available in your Adobe Express library. Click on the specific files you want to add to this folder, selecting as many as you need. Once you've made your selections, click Add to import them into your folder, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a project with organized folders in Adobe Express, making it much easier to manage your creative work efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.